Just out playing with the new DJI NEO 2. What about kit? 200 quid. And yeah, phenomenal. Just really, really good fun actually. Just trying out the different modes, tried to put a manual mode. I just bought it without the controller. So easy, just to chuck it up in there. And yeah, you don't actually even need your iPhone to control it, but if you want to go into manual mode, then you will need your phone with the app or an actual controller. But just using the follow me and everything else, so easy. Be interesting to see how we get on the bike. I'll have to find somewhere quiet to test that out. All sorts of success stories and then the not so successful ones. Lots of clips online on YouTube about the tracking being good but easily filled, thin branches. But yeah, I just walked it through the forest behind me, dodging bushes, gorse bushes. Yeah, really successfully. Yeah, battery life. The fact I've come out with 3 batteries fully charged, and I did one. They say flying time 19 minutes. I think realistically, everyone online is saying more like 15. Obviously, depending on wind, how fast you're flying it, how long. But yeah, listen, the batteries are so small and light. I've got them in my pocket, my fleece here. really notice them. So yeah, not a big deal, especially if I'm on the bike. Then yeah, should be nice and easy. But yeah, it's so light, it can pretty much just fit in my fleece pocket. If you've got a bigger jacket, then no problem. Yeah, so I just took the dog for a walk, and yeah, lovely evening. This is St Mike's Wood. This used to be all trees around me, but they've just done some thinning out and deforestation. But yeah, my house used to just be down in that bottom corner down there. Anyway, so yeah, really impressed. First flight. Took it out on the bike yesterday with Ed, but too busy chatting, never got around to actually getting the drone up. As with all these things, you don't want to do it somewhere busy. I'm not. This is my first drone. I think I said in my channel update that yeah, I borrowed a friend's drone. Got some good B-roll footage. For the North Coast 500 we did. But yeah, other than that, I've never really flown a drone. I'm going to say there's not much to it, but I guess, like everything, to do it well takes practice. But yeah, so I'm really pleased. Whether I bother getting a remote or not, I don't know. If you get the remote, you're probably best to get the receiver. Screws in the back there. That gives the ability for the remote to talk to the drone and also gives you better range. So yeah, probably worth doing. I did try flying over a field there, and yeah, I was waiting for, because it's effectively a Wi-Fi connection it's using between your phone and the drone, waiting for that to drop to low. And then I suddenly realised if it did, it would just stay in hover. Not sure whether it does return to home. I think if it loses signal, then it doesn't know where it is to return to home. So yeah, I would have been hopping into the field, which the farmer would not have been best pleased about. Anyway, that's it. Just a quick first review. I'll maybe drop in some test shots, but do a proper review when I've tried it on the bike. Cheers.